Novices right here. This is Ward, Horn, Rustin, Green. Picking up the top spot guy. That's going to be the 5 ride with the 605, trying to reel him in. We're looking at Green and Ward. Green checking out on the pack now. In and out of the last turn. Keep the rubber side down. Got you a moto win. Green going in there. The 605 hanging on. Almost got caught sleeping there, Ward. Green coming on strong. Gill, Moss, Kewen, and Schroeder. This is 5 and 6 novice mixed bag. Right into turn number 1. That's going to be another one of those North Carolina kids. Keaton Moss on the front side. The 461 of Moss. Looking there at the 4 ride and 2 spot is Kewen. Moss and Kewen, 1 and 2. Kewen trying to reel him in. This is, it's going to be the 433 for the 3 spot of Gill and Schroeder battling out for that 3-4. Back to the front side. After the last turn, Keaton Moss. Get it done, wire to wire, Kewen for the 2. Another rack of 5, 6 novice mixed bags here.